everyone, welcome to all. This side Shivani Merkunde. I'm your Python trainer. I work as a Python full stack trainer in Arbor. So let's get started.
We are going to discuss about the methods. First is the delete, and which is the keyword, and remove, right? So first of all, discussing about what is a delete. See, a delete is a keyword, right? Delete is used with any object in Python. You can take example for list, tuple, dictionary, then a single mutable immutable data structure. Okay, so in list we are discussing in specific list. So in list it will delete the values by the index wise or a slicing wise. Take an example, you have a lots of data structure, right, and you don't know the values name. So you know the position and you wanted to delete the values by the position name. So we know on each values in a data set we have indexing which start from the zeros from last, right? So whenever we wanted to delete the values by the indexing or slicing, we use delete, right? Now it is also capable to delete the entire list or a variable. And if you delete once, the specific item or object will not exist in memory. Okay, then it will faster because it is deleted by the index. So there is no need of searching. That's the why it is more fast compared to the remove. Now rises index error if the index is invalid. Means take an example, मेरे पास 3 values है 0, 1, 2, right, and I'm trying to remove the index of 4th. So yes, definitely we will get the error. Okay, so this is about delete. Now what stand for the remove? So remove क्या करता है? Remove the values by the values name, right? So मेरे पास 5 entries है और उस 5 entries में I wanted to remove the values by their name. Okay, so 12 है, Python है, whatever it is that I wanted to remove. So delete only the first occurrence. Means मेरे पास 4 एंट्रीज है सेम वैल्यूज नेम की, बट ये ऑलवेज क्या करता है? फर्स्ट occurrence रिमूव करता है. ओके, वर्क ओनली ऑन लीस्ट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. ओनली किस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर पे वर्क होता है? लीस्ट. सर्चिंग फॉर द वैल्यूज बिफोर डिलीटिंग. Before deleting the values, it will search that specific values are exist or not, right? And raise the value error if the value is not found. Means in the data set I wanted to delete something, okay, but if that the value is not present, yes, we will definitely get the error. So this is about delete and remove. So this is a theoretical part. What we do, we'll do with the help of code, so आपको भी understanding आएगी, right? See, here I have written already code. What I do, I'll just remove the code for you and we will try again. ठीक है. So this is the data set, right? I wanted to delete by the indexing. So delete is a keyword, data set name, and I wanted to delete second value. So 0 and 1. So what will be deleted here? 4. Right? Okay. Now I wanted to delete the last value. I wanted to delete a last value. So -1. Okay. So last value has been deleted. Okay. Now how many values are there? 0, 1, 2, 3. But I am trying to delete 4th index or 5th index. That will be not exist. So we will definitely get the error. The least index out of range. So this is about the delete, guys. Now talking about remove. Remove will remove the values by the name. Data dot remove. Okay. And I wanted to remove Java. And I'll print again over here. Just uncomment this one. See, the Java has been removed. Now I wanted to remove Python. Now Python occurs 2 times, right? But it will always delete the first occurrence. So which one is deleted? This one, right? So Python has been deleted. Now I wanted to delete over here Komal, which Komal is not exist, right? कोमल present है क्या इस data set में? No. So what we will get? We will get the error. So this is about, guys, list, remove method and delete method. I hope so you like this video.